What's up, everyone? So, well, right now we are gonna be on a drive with this camera that we have, the Insta360 GO 3S. Well, the thing is that right now I'm driving my Changan Eado 2025. What happened to my mobile? Okay, so you see, these are the scenes right now, and well, actually, I just left from work for night duty, and now I'm gonna be going to one gahwa shop, a chai shop. No, from the next one. We have to take the turn from the next one. So, well, it's also the Friday. So, inshallah, time for Jummah would soon be upon us. Okay, there's so much sun, it's blinding me. Let me take out my these sunshades. Okay, we have the sunshades. Now we are on our way. So there are coffee shops over here, but right now I don't think I'd go with the coffee. What I'm right now thinking about is tea, because after a very long night at work, I actually also worked the last day, so I definitely need some tea. See, people, these good people, the cleaners of the Riyadh Baladiyas, they are cleaning the roads. Try to keep the roads cleaner, your neighborhoods cleaner. Don't throw stuff out of the cars onto the roads. See, now we are on this road, and we'll have to take one exit up ahead. So these are the scenes. Wow, I'm so excited for this camera, and the results is gonna bring us. This is something really special to me. Okay, now we have to take a turn. Here we go. Here we come, here we go. The night was long and tiring. Now we are going for some very cool breakfast. So we will see if I can record with this camera. Otherwise, we will record with the iPhone. But this camera is Saraha really good. The tea shop is up ahead on this road. See, by the way, this Changan Eado, the suspension of this, it's really smooth. You can even see how it's passing through the speed breakers. And the chai shop is nearby. Here we go. I'm thinking of making some very good reels as well. So, but first thing, I need to make sure this camera, it gives me some good quality results. Only then I will be able to use this as the main camera and my iPhone for recording some scenes. Wow, check this out, guys. Al-Ghat, Shara Al-Ghat. I've been here before and I recorded this. Al-Ghat. Al-Ghat is a very special place for me. And now we need a parking. Here I think we can park, but let me go from there and come back. Wow, I've been to a lot of places here in Riyadh, things and places are quite familiar most of the time. So let us see if someone is coming from behind. No, no one there. Okay, let's turn. Now I want to park over there. Wonderful. I hope the camera is doing its job. It definitely should. Okay, now we are done over here. So let me take out my stuff. I actually also need my bag with me. Let me take out the case for the glasses and our camera. Okay, this, we really need this. Our bag. Hi Shanjan, open the door. No,
How can I help you?
Open the door. No, okay, I'm fine. It doesn't open the door. See, here we go now. That's me. See, how does it look? Let me see how it looks. Okay, that's how it's looking. Yeah. So well, right now time to go to this tea shop. Oh wow, that is some cool stuff that we are witnessing. Sharai a lot. Okay, Shai al Sabain. Okay, let's go over here. Let's see what do they have. I'll turn off the video for now, but then we will meet again. Check this out. That's the coffee shop, and now we are closing the video. Sorry. Okay, I just have to press once and it turns off. So right now we have given an order over there, and now this is also one of their sitting areas. However, I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna sit over there. See, this looks better. This one too. But I would rather sit over here because this will give me a better view. Okay, let's bring this aside because I want to sit over there. See, oh wow, what beautiful scenes. Wow, is this even real? Anyways, we are gonna have our order come through. In the meanwhile, I'll open my laptop and we are gonna post some stuff. This looks so cool. Wow, I'm elated.